You might be hearing this name for the first time, but no, graphene has been with us for many years now. And guess what? It's not going anywhere anytime soon. In fact, graphene is here to stay. You might have seen or heard about shoes that can detect how much you walked all day, or the smart watches that can monitor your exercise, or the shirts that change colour with the wearer's mood. All of these miracles are graphene. For more than 60 years now, graphene has been a preference of scientists. There is continuous development in this field, so yes, you can expect to witness more amazing inventions thanks to graphene shortly. But can you imagine how? Let's find out by diving into the top 10 ways graphene batteries will change the world on this episode of Super Freaky Science. 10. Planes. Carrying the heaviest planes with lots of passengers and luggage and then fuel for the demands on the longest flights is never an easy task. However, graphene is ready to take over the world of aviation by helping in the launch of fuel-free planes, much lighter weight than ever. These graphene-powered planes are expected to be in commercial use in the next decade, and they will have much less weight, cost, and will be stronger than before. Graphene will help in powering the plane. It will also reduce the amount of weight from the plane which is occupied by the fuel tanks, fuel and the supporting gears. And, well, rumours are, Airbus is expected to be the first aviation company to launch a graphene-based plane, being a member of the Graphene Flagship Research Group. Number 9. Infection Detector. The recent pandemic coronavirus took a long time to be discovered. It spread through the whole world till then, and had already affected a lot of people. It is due to the delay in testing strategies, similar in what was observed in the past pandemics and disease outbreaks. What is required is a quick strategy that can conduct instant testing to detect any disease infection or abnormality, and this is where the graphene photodetector can help. Thanks to graphene batteries, modern detectors can look for a particular molecule pattern in the infrared spectrum, making it easier to detect the presence of a molecular fingerprint. Moreover, in the case of outbreaks, these advanced detectors can identify the fingerprints of viruses and microbes and can be used for immediate testing, especially at airports and places of public gatherings. All of this can be done in less than 10 minutes, and the results of the test can be sent to smartphones, making it easier to access and interpret. Number 8. Brain-computer interfaces. And a robot at your house is stimulated with this throughout to get you a bar of chocolate. Sounds mesmerising, right? Well, this will be possible in the near future thanks to graphene. AI is revolutionising every major industry, and graphene is playing a part in AI. Getting another milestone in the world of AI, graphene has helped develop an interface that can connect a human brain to a computer. It can capture all neurological signals and transmit them to the computers. This has helped to make applications controlled by humans. It will also help in the world of robotics and assist in achieving a better result for smart applications. Such interfaces are highly complicated and include ICN2 technology to connect the brain with a chip. They have a considerable adjustment of the signal-to-noise ratio to ensure swift transmission and interpretation of the brain signals. 7. Air sniffer. Would it sound crazy if we say that graphene can be your better nose? Well, yes. Graphene batteries have helped to develop gas sniffers that are capable to detect gases in its surroundings. These are more accurate than human noses, and these sniffers not only sniff different gases, but also provide the air profile report. These devices are majorly deployed in Estonia as an experiment to check the quality and ratio of air pollutants. These super-sensitive sniffers can even sniff out traces of toxic gases, trying to help humans have a safer environment to live. Sniffers contain electroluminescent inks that light up upon detection of gases. With an increase in the ratio of gases in the air, the intensity of the light is also increased, indicating danger. Electroluminescent use of graphene and ICN2 technologies for implementation. These devices have a great application in security as detecting suspicious activities, environment conservation as checking the air pollution, and human health as checking the environment for pharma industries to see if it's suitable to take the medicine or not. 6. NANOELECTRONICS. Nanoelectronic gadgets are miniature, high-energy, liberating components. They provide extensive energy to the deployed machine, including microchips. And, well, these nanoelectronic gadgets are powered with graphene batteries. The batteries are shaped like a sandwich in the dimensions of nanoelectronics. This sandwich technique preserves the capability of the graphene. Today, what you see is a size reduction. Take computers, smartphones, televisions, planes, or server farms. Technology is shrinking the size of everything. Yet the capabilities are increasing. Thanks to graphene batteries that have made it possible by meeting the energy requirements with its small dimensions. 5. Contactless cards. The recent pandemic broke out due to the contagious virus that spread with the contact of contagious items and surfaces. The world understood the value of social distancing and methods of safe contact. Taking this into consideration, graphene has helped to create contactless cards that work on NFC technology. These cards prevent the user from contacting surfaces, making them safe from any possible virus and microbes. These cards are already deployed in high-tech IT buildings, security departments, and major banks of the world. There is still a long way to go, but we need such cards everywhere to reduce the social contact and contamination of surfaces. It's not only technically advanced, but safer for mankind. 4. Fitness patches and athlete profiles. Smart fitness watches are not new to anyone here. You can wear the watch that will monitor our movement and also provide you a report for your health profile. Some of the latest watches can also check pulse rates, heart rates, and blood pressure of the wearer. What if we tell you that now all of this is possible with just a small patch? A patch that you can stick on your arm like a sticker or a tattoo. Yes, graphene smart fitness patches are advanced medical gadgets. They not only keep a count on your routine, but also help you to monitor your body. It can help you to know your heartbeat, pulse rate, blood pressure, water need, and much more. This transdermal fitness patch connects to the wearer's smartphone to send prompts about the wearer's profile. It is very accurate and super sensitive to change. 3. SUPERCARS. What is the highest speed you've ever travelled in a car? 100 kilometers an hour? 200 kilometers an hour? Every time, it was a fuel-powered version. Now let's talk about electric cars. What is the maximum speed? 80 kilometers an hour? 100 kilometers an hour? Nothing more. Yes, that's where graphene is required. It's here to help you conserve the environment and reduce lesser byproducts while helping you accelerate faster than ever. These graphene-based supercars are very strong, fast, and energy efficient. To get a higher speed, perfect aerodynamic shape, a lightweight, and a powerful engine, and a secure battery backup are the keys. Graphene provides the best replacement to glass, and the concerned components help to reduce the weight of the car's body, making it much faster than others. But there is still a slight problem with all this, since graphene technology is still being researched on. The average cost of the world's first graphene car, circa $163,000, and that's a lot. But we can expect graphene-based supercars in the near future, and that too at an affordable price. 2. UV detectors. One of the most dangerous challenges to Earth is global warming and the greenhouse effect, which is ultimately leading to massive holes in our ozone layer. It makes the Earth and humans more exposed to UV radiation from the sun. If you don't know about UV radiation, we'll simply explain it to you. UV radiation are the high wavelength radiations from the sun that are harmful to the human body and the biosphere. It causes various skin diseases, increases geothermal energy, and also destroys chlorophyll in plants, which is a source of our oxygen. Wouldn't it be great if we could see the intensity of UV in an area and take precautions before it becomes a bigger threat? Well, graphene has made it possible. There are UV tracking patches that can help detect UV exposure on our skin. These are small patches that are attached to the skin. It sends the results to the wearer's smartphone. If overexposed, it suggests the user move towards a shade, use a sunscreen, or move to another place. This amazing invention is specifically for those who are super sensitive about their skins. 1. High-tech solar panels. The most amazing revolution brought in with graphene so far is here. The most efficient solar cells in the world that can be boosted to a huge level through graphene cells. These cells have a 4 times higher capacity than silicon-based, and they are much cheaper as well. With high capacity, these cells can provide a huge power backup to the major industries. To reduce the use of non-renewable resources, these solar panels can be a massive revolution for the energy sector of the world. When the world is fighting against the side effects of using non-renewable resources for energy requirements, it is always a better choice to use something more efficient, like graphene solar panels. We might expect to see a lot of graphene in the next 10 years, because that's what science is all about.